seconds. Stand by. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah! 16 to 18 teenage boys group to close out Tina Hills for the 2024 tier Wodapalooza Miami. In lane 10, Logan June. In lane 1, Luke Trovão. In lane 9, Caleb Buckmaster. In 2, Clark Lawson. In 8, Yonder Cacao. In 3, Isaac Rojas. In 7, Kyle McElroy. In 4, Lorenzo Petrosello, your third place athlete. In 6, Tinder Eliason. In 2nd place, and your overall leader in lane 5, Kai Shimala from Round Valley CrossFit. 30, down and dirty, dumbbell pacing burpees, everybody. Tina Hills, this is our final event of the day. Let's make some noise for these boys. It's getting wet wild out here. It's raining, but that doesn't stop the party in Miami. There's still plenty more fitness to go as we have 5 reps remaining here in lane 4. Your 3rd place overall.
Olha, Trovão! Corpo baixinho, não te levanta muito. Lá embaixo, tronco.
Lorenzo advances first in lane 4, and he'll make his way back to the 50 double unders in the round 2. Lane 3, Isaac Rojas. And in lane 2, Clark Lawson.
Acelera, Trovão, acelera.
50 double unders. Moving on to the 20 dumbbell thrusters in 1st place. Lane 4, Lorenzo Petrosello from the Manelli Warriors. Here in lane 4. 20 thrusters, 50 pounds each hand. In lane 2, Clark Lawson from CrossFit Courageous will now join him for 20 thrusters.
Bora, Trovão, dá pra buscar, vai pra buscar. Vamos. Não quebra, vai.
Down in lane 1, Lukas, as well as in lane 3, Isaac Rojas. Now on to their dumbbell thrusters here for 20 reps. And down this way in lane 9, Caleb Buckmaster, as well as Yonder Cacao.
Vai, Trovão.
Lorenzo Petrosello in lane 4, first athlete onto the last set of double unders. But joining him in lane 2, Clark Lawson, as well as Isaac Rojas in lane 3.
Boa, boa. Acelera que tu busca, vai, Trovão. Acelera.
Congratulations, third place. One remaining, Lukas Trovão. Mark Lawson will finish. Last one for Lukas Trovão. Logan June, one more round.
Gente, não morrer, pô.
And Logan June will finish at 7:32. Ladies and gentlemen, Tina Hills, round of applause for our 16 to 18 boys on a fantastic 2024 Tier Wodapalooza weekend. Excellent job, gentlemen. Lorenzo Petrosello ending in style with an event win.